Hey guys, come with us as we go shopping at HomeGoods. We're gonna look for some simple but very chic Halloween and fall decorations because we do have a certain aesthetic that we like, but we do want to be festive for the holidays. So the first thing we found was this adorable pumpkin. It was really soft and had cute little sequins running through it. We thought it was very classy, but gave a little bit of that luxurious vibe. Next, we did find this little jack-o'-lantern decoration. It was so cute. It had some pearls and diamonds. And then we found these adorable little houses, little spooky houses. They have glittery roofs. Thought they'd be super cute on a mantle if you're doing a little Halloween village. Then we did find this really pretty snake. Ashley tried to pick it up, but this dragon fell on her. But it's super cute, little decoration. We also found this bat that actually has like seashell vibe to it. So if you have a kind of coastal aesthetic, that'd be really cute. We did find these little skull candelabras. Thought they would be beautiful in the middle of a table. They have a ton of different ones. This was a little charcuterie board, a little ghosty. They had really cute pillows. And then we found this really cool mirror. This is definitely more Halloween, but we just thought it was so pretty with the gold snakes running through it. And then we found more mantle decorations. There was a bigger one in the back here. They had little rhinestone pumpkins. And they also had a diffuser that was a little ghost. We found a lot of the candles that I love that have decorations in them. And there was a little cat in one of them. It was so cute. Here's some more candelabras with a gold snake theme. We saw a lot of the snakes. Even this table had a snake theme. It was kind of a floating table. It was super cool. Would love it for Halloween. These lanterns were super cute as well. Definitely more fall than Halloween, but they were just so beautiful. And then we saw these cute little ghosty pillows, and then they added a little glitz to them with rhinestone pillows, which we thought were super cute. And they also had a matching table runner for those pillows. They did have other table runners though, so this one was super pretty if you wanted a more witchy kind of tarot card aesthetic. And they did have a matching blanket for that. And we thought it was so perfect because it actually matched our shopping bag. This is a rolling laptop bag from JKM & Company. Absolutely perfect if you need something to transition from work to travel to shopping. It was just the perfect way to collect all of our little goodies from our HomeGoods trip.